we're so blessed to have you as our pastor. Your leadership and Sister Blizzard's leadership are superb. And on your special day today, tomorrow, oh no, on Tuesday rather, we would like to greet you a very, very, very happy. Everybody say, Happy birthday, Pastor.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We're so thankful to be here with you, and have a great day. God bless you.
God bless you, Pastor Blizzard.
Happy birthday, Pastor, from the Power family. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We love you.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We love
Happy
you.
birthday.
And wish you a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastor. Happy birthday, Brother Blizzard. I hear you're the big 6-0, but in the South we like to turn our numbers around, so you can actually be 6 years old today and start life all over again. Go.
Happy birthday, Pastor Blizzard. I love you. Thank you for being my pastor and helping me out. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Brother Blizzard. It's fly my face, but I think you have a good birthday. And we love you. Christopher loves you. We love you, and we're so honored that we're part of your family and a part of this church. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. May you feel Jesus near every day of the year. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. And the best year you ever had.
We love you, Pastor.
Love you.
Happy birthday, we love you, Pastor. Happy 60. Woohoo!
Happy birthday, Pastor. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pastor. Happy birthday to you.
We love you, Pastor.
We love you, Pastor. Appreciate you. God bless you. Happy birthday, Pastor.
Let's sing happy birthday to you.
And may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We love you from the Montgomery family.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Pastor. Thank you for everything that you've done for us throughout the year. We love you.
We hope you have a wonderful birthday and many more to come.
All right.
Happy birthday.
Pastor Blizzard, the Reynolds family love you, and we wish you a happy, everybody say happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
We love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pastor.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday. No, así no.
And again, one more time. Happy birthday, Pastor, from the Gaffneys.
Happy birthday, Pastor.
Happy birthday, Pastor.
Happy birthday, Pastor.
Happy birthday, Pastor.
Just greeting you a happy birthday from the Sarmiento family. My dad's still working, so he's not here. My brother's at school. So just want to greet you a happy birthday. And I just want to thank you for always being there for me, especially this past year. And I just want to thank you for always praying for me and just being there for me. And I'm just glad that you've been my pastor for over 12 years. And also, I'm also glad that you're literally like my third set of grandparents, you and Sister Blizzard. And I just want to tell you that I really appreciate you and I love you. Alright?
Love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Pops. I wish I could be there to help you celebrate. I love and miss you.
Hey Pop, it's Devin. I just wanted to say happy birthday. I love you. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Well, Daddy, it's your birthday, and I bought you this really cool card. It says, happy birthday. Then I went to the post office to mail it. And due to our wonderful government shutdown, they were closed. So I just thought I'd deliver it to you this way. I wish I could be there for your birthday, but I'm really excited that we get to celebrate in a couple of weeks. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pops. Wow, 60 years old. Congratulations. That's quite an accomplishment these days. Anyway, we love you. We hope today's as awesome as you are, and he's well deserving. And we thank God for you, and we thank God for the time we've had with you and the many more years to come. So anyway, hey, 60 looks good on you. Love you. Take care.
Check it out down below. I'll put the links there. If any of you guys out there want to book Andy for a show, can do music for a film, or want online piano lessons for some of you advanced piano players.